Starting your own blog as a UI UX designer. So one of the best methods I have found to utilize your specialization and to better find your clients, and even though how the clients have the better chance of finding you is via starting your own blog or a website. By writing about your subject you are most passionate about, you are much more likely to be noticed by potential clients. So how to set up that blog or a website? So the most popular platform is a WordPress.org. Use WordPress to create your own website or a blog. It is very easy to use WordPress to set up your own web page. I'm going to give you a resources how to set up your WordPress web page with your own domain and the hosting, and you are going to set up your WordPress website in a minute. The next step is to design your blog from scratch or use free or premium WordPress templates. So you can get a free templates for the WordPress from wordpress.com/themes, or you can use a premium WordPress themes from themeforest.net, which is the biggest website templates marketplace on the internet. Of course, there are a lot more free and premium WordPress templates around the web, and I'm going to give you a resource file after this lesson to choose from those high variety of themes on the internet. The third step is to write articles related to UI UX design, or narrow it even down for mobile apps design. When you want to attract new clients, you probably want to create content that is interesting and helpful to people in the industry. So for example, you can write about tutorials on how to design each of the elements of UI UX design in Adobe Photoshop, how to come up with your personas, how to wireframe your apps, such things, and you can apply it to your own blog, and you are going to show yourself for the potential clients as a really great designer, because you are writing about your subject. You are looking for the client as a potential look as a client that you can actually make the work for them at the highest quality, because you are very passionate about your subject and you even started your own blog or a website. Blog and website is kind of the same thing actually. You can just apply your content, your blog posts, your articles, and that's the same thing. And the last thing is market yourself through social media or social media websites. You can create even a brand new page on Facebook or on Twitter and for your website, for your blog, and market your page via them. You can invite your friends, your family, your co-workers in those websites, in those pages on the Facebook and or a Twitter. Also, Pinterest is the really good one for the designers. Also, please make sure to check out a dribble.com or a behance.com, which I have already discussed in the previous lessons. Also, you probably want to check out what is SEO or search engine optimization, which stands just for how the client is going to search for the potential service for potential job done. So in that case, I'm going to add also a resource file after this lesson for you, which are going to show you a few tips on how to better utilize search engine optimization for your own blog.